Hi friends, imagine that you have invested lots of hard work and lots of energy to create a new thing. Now basically this new created thing related to the invention, related to the some of the artist work or related to the corporate organizations. Now you are planning that you will get a lots of things like respect from your society, value from your loved ones, and of course you will get importance in the eyes of your crush. Now, these things are possible because you have created a nice and valuable thing. Now imagine that just third persons comes into the life, take your things, go to the public and announce that this thing belongs to you. Now basically you don't have any chance rather to surrender yourselves. That's why you decide to surrender yourselves and the third persons take all the profit with him. Now this condition is very much painful because your hard work, your energy, your talent just got wasted. So to protect that thing, I will and this channel will definitely support you. So hi friends, today I welcome you to our channel Modern Day Empire, and here I try my best to share business tips, business tricks, business strategies. So friends, we will directly move to our things that can help you. First things come with the copyright. Now basically copyright is a very much valued thing because it is related to the artistic thing. Suppose that you have created some of the artistic work like book, clicked a very much rare picture or drawn a picture. In this type of things, copyright is usually concerned. Now basically generating a copyright for your invented thing is not that hard because you just need a right guidance, some amount of money, and that's why you do. There is common myth that copyrights require lots of professional work, a lawyer, and just a rich background because you are doing the copyright, and that's why you may require a number of commissions. So this myth is not true. Generating copyright is very much simple. You could generate copyright even if you belongs to middle class or poor class. So guys, this is all for the copyright. Now we will shift to the next one, and that is trademark. Now basically trademark is related to the word, a face, logo, ID that you have created. Now basically trademark related to the corporate world because every company has its own ID, and that's why they are known as unique. But trademark is something related to the protection of this thing. Suppose that you have created a nice logo and one company likes that logo. Now the company is demanding that they want your logo to be printed as their logo. So what you can do is generate a copyright for a logo and then trademark for that logo, and then you can ask that company that I have generated trademark for for my logo. So that's why fill my terms and conditions, and I will be ready to use your. I will be ready to give you the permission for my logo. In that scenario, you could get of course huge amount of money, or you can demand also regular profits from the company. So that's why trademark is very much important thing, because guys, nowadays we have seen that logo represents the particular organization, particular company. That's why it is very much important. Nowadays logo making job is getting very much valued nowadays. So guys, before getting to third thing, please subscribe to our channel Modern Day Empire because we try to create awesome content for you guys. So that's why we need your comments, your suggestions, so that we could get in the right direction and you could get the whatever the content you are valuing, whatever your content you are demanding. So that's why suggest me the topics. You could even suggest me some of the tips and tricks and many things possible. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and family so they could also watch this video, and if they have if they have valuable things, so they could also protect them. Now guys, next thing we will come with, next and last thing is related to the patent. Now basically, suppose that you have invented a thing. Now basically invention require lots of hard work, lots of patience, lots of logic, and that's why the things come with the creation or inventing a thing. Now it is very necessary to protecting and getting the specific rights of that invention, because invention is very much valued nowadays, because nowadays we are seeing that for coronavirus there is vaccine going around, there is invention of vaccine going around there. Many organizations are investing their lots of money and lots of efforts so that they could create a vaccine. So you could think that what is the importance of invention. So if you now basically invention, now basically creating the patent is very much professional task. You may require lots of professional guidance, so that's why. But after creating patent, you could get exclusive right for your invention, so that none can copy your invention, and if they did so, they have to pay lots of fees or lots of whatever you want from them. You could definitely get that. So now basically understand two things related to the patent. Patent is not for ideas. If I thought an idea of flying carpet, then I could not generate patent from it. But if I generated a flying car, if I invented the flying carpet, then it could be possible. So that's why patent is not for ideas. Patent is for invention. Now next thing, if you generate a patent, then it usually becomes with the 20 years pattern. Suppose that if you are generating a patent for 20 years, so 20 years you can give exclusive right for the company or for any organization. After that, the public it will become in the public domain, and the public could read or understand that information. And if you want this duration to be long, you could also check necessary configuration for that. So friends, hopefully you understand this video completely, and if you like this video, so of course give us a like, and don't forget to share this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, quickly subscribe to our channel Modern Empire for more such videos, and bye bye.